Best metabolism-boosting foods you must add to your diet. Taking the time to arrange your plate thoughtfully can significantly contribute to enhancing your metabolism. Gaining weight can be natural, particularly when you have a sedentary desk job with limited physical activity. However, if you're looking to shed some pounds, incorporating metabolism-boosting foods into your diet can be beneficial. A sedentary lifestyle can slow down your metabolism, leading to weight gain. Nevertheless, there's no need to resort to extreme measures like starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. Instead, you can focus on consuming specific foods that have the potential to increase metabolism and facilitate fat burning. Keep reading to discover the foods that can effectively kickstart your metabolism. 1. Green tea. Green tea continues to hold its position as the undisputed champion among natural weight loss beverages. The antioxidants found in green tea, such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, epicatechins, EC, and epigallocatechin, EGC, play a vital role. These antioxidants act as scavengers, effectively neutralizing harmful oxygen radicals and safeguarding cells, DNA, and cellular functions from oxidative damage. When prepared correctly, green tea's antioxidants support the normal functioning of cells, thereby sustaining a healthy metabolism. Drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea per day to boost your metabolism, energy levels, and weight loss. Trivia. Green tea has a diverse flavor profile. Japanese green tea has a grassy flavor, while Chinese green teas have a hint of peach or chocolate flavors. Green tea's immense popularity and evident detoxification benefits have led to a continuous expansion of its market viability. In 2021, the global green tea market was estimated to be worth approximately $15 billion. The graph below illustrates the top importers of green tea that year, with the United States leading the list, followed by China. Global leading green tea importing countries in 2021. 2. Protein-rich foods. Boosting your metabolism can be effectively achieved through the incorporation of protein-rich foods into your diet. Lean meats such as chicken breast, fish, and scallops, along with legumes, beans, tofu, mushrooms, and soy, are excellent choices in this regard. Additionally, including fish like mackerel and salmon is highly recommended due to their abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with increased metabolism levels in the body. These protein-rich foods also help in curbing hunger and reducing the temptation to overindulge in junk food. Reducing the consumption of junk food, especially foods high in sugar and salt, can have significant benefits. It prevents excess fat storage, minimizes inflammation and stress, and promotes optimal cellular function. For enhanced metabolism, make sure to include a source of lean protein with each meal. If you find it challenging to obtain sufficient protein, approximately 0.8 g protein per kg of body weight per day, from whole foods alone, protein powders can serve as a convenient alternative to supplement your intake. 3. Chili. Surprisingly, chilies offer significant benefits for weight loss. How? Researchers have discovered that they can boost the metabolic rate, enhance thermogenesis, the body's heat generation to melt fat, and increase energy expenditure. The key phytonutrient responsible for weight loss is capsaicin, which not only raises energy expenditure in fat tissues but also aids in regulating insulin levels. Did you know? Approximately 4,000 varieties of chili exist around the world. They are categorized under 5 capsicum species and 28 wild forms. 4. Fenugreek seeds. When it comes to an extraordinary ingredient that can rev up your metabolism and aid in fat loss, look no further than fenugreek. A study published in the Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology examined its effects on high-fat fed obese rats. The results showed that fenugreek seed extract played a significant role in enhancing metabolism by reducing adipose tissue, increasing digestive enzymes, antioxidants, blood glucose levels, and insulin sensitivity. Incorporating fenugreek seeds into your diet can be as simple as adding them to curries or detox water. Within just a few weeks, you may start noticing remarkable results in terms of your metabolic health and fat loss journey. 5. Broccoli. When discussing healthy foods, it would be unthinkable not to include broccoli on the list. And there's a compelling reason for its inclusion. Despite any aversions one may have towards it, this vibrant green vegetable boasts an array of health benefits. Packed with dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, protein, and a plethora of phytonutrients, broccoli plays a crucial role in combating various types of cancers and metabolic syndromes. Additionally, scientists have discovered that broccoli extract can contribute to reducing blood sugar levels and improving abnormal metabolism. To enjoy the benefits of broccoli, consider incorporating it into your meals creatively. You can add blanched broccoli to salads or vegetable quinoa, savor broccoli soup for lunch or dinner, or even opt for broccoli fritters as a wholesome alternative to indulging in a bag of chips. Embracing this nutrient-rich vegetable can undoubtedly boost your overall health and well-being. 6. Water. Maintaining proper hydration is the cornerstone of good health. It is recommended to aim for around 3 liters of water per day, and even more if you have an active workout routine. Sufficient water intake plays a vital role in flushing toxins from your colon, enhancing gut health, and reducing inflammation levels. In a noteworthy study, German scientists observed that drinking 500 milliliters of water resulted in an astounding 30% increase in metabolic rate and an additional 100 kJ of energy expenditure, underscoring the crucial significance of staying hydrated and its impact on metabolism. To ensure adequate hydration, consider drinking a glass or 2 of water every hour. However, it's essential not to overdo it, as excessive water consumption can lead to water intoxication. Striking the right balance in your water intake will help optimize your overall well-being and health. 7. Yerba mate tea. Yerba mate tea, with its delightful taste, is another well-known agent for boosting metabolism and promoting weight loss. Research has shown that drinking yerba mate tea 120 minutes before a workout can lead to enhanced satiety levels, increased energy, improved mood, and a boosted metabolism. To harness these benefits, consider incorporating yerba mate tea into your daily routine by enjoying it twice a day. This simple practice can effectively kickstart your metabolism and aid in shedding those extra pounds. 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just an ordinary spice reserved for flavoring cakes and pancakes. This unassuming spice holds remarkable properties as a natural weight loss agent, primarily by boosting the metabolic rate. Studies have revealed that cinnamon can enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce blood pressure, and lower blood sugar levels. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to purchase Ceylon cinnamon, grind it into powder, and store it for regular use. You can incorporate this cinnamon powder into your daily routine by adding it to teas, salads, and soups, making the most of its weight loss and health-promoting qualities. 9. Lentils. Lentils serve as an excellent plant-based protein source, enriched with a wealth of dietary fiber, essential minerals, and vitamins. These nutrient-packed legumes offer a protective shield against a range of diseases, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular issues, and certain types of cancers. The combination of protein and fiber in lentils effectively curbs hunger, enhances digestion, and promotes colon detoxification. As a result, when gut health is optimized, and appetite is better regulated, the natural consequence is an increase in metabolism. Incorporating boiled lentils or enjoying a comforting lentil soup for lunch or dinner is a simple and delicious way to reap the benefits of these healthful legumes. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has garnered significant popularity as an exceptionally effective weight loss aid in recent times. Its benefits lie in its ability to boost metabolism by harmonizing the internal pH, reducing serum triglyceride levels, and lowering BMI values. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine is a straightforward process. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and consume it first thing in the morning. Whether you choose to purchase it or make it at home, embracing apple cider vinegar allows you to enjoy all the health advantages it has to offer. 11. Whole eggs. The misconception about egg yolks being responsible for high cholesterol levels needs clarification. In reality, cholesterol levels rise due to excessive consumption of trans fats and unhealthy fats from various sources like fried foods, takeaways, pizza, burgers, wafers, soda, and packaged fruit juices. Egg yolks, on the other hand, contain essential nutrients such as water-soluble B and C, and fat-soluble vitamins A, E, D, K, which are crucial for proper growth, body function, and metabolism. Moreover, eggs are a rich source of high-quality proteins, including essential amino acids that enhance stamina and exercise performance. Incorporating 1 to 2 whole eggs into your daily diet can be more beneficial than harmful. So, the next time you consider discarding the egg yolk, think about the valuable benefits you may be missing out on. 12. Celery. Celery is often hailed as the ultimate negative calorie food, implying that the energy expended to digest and metabolize it exceeds the actual calories it contains. When you consume celery, your cells must exert more effort to break it down, leading to a noticeable increase in your metabolic rate. Additionally, research has shown that celery extract has a beneficial effect on lipid levels in oyster rats, contributing to lowering them. To enjoy the benefits of celery, consider incorporating it into your diet in various ways. You can savor celery in soups, salads, and smoothies, or simply relish it as a healthy and refreshing snack. The versatility of celery makes it an excellent addition to your meals and snacks, promoting both nutrition and metabolic support. 13. Garlic. In my opinion, garlic reigns as the queen of herb spices, not only elevating the flavor of any dish but also providing numerous health advantages. One of its key bioactive compounds, allicin, contributes to combating various types of cancer, lowering blood pressure, and bolstering immunity against the common cold. Additionally, research indicates that garlic plays a role in inhibiting fat synthesis genes, promoting thermogenesis, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. To fully embrace the benefits of garlic, consider incorporating it into your culinary creations. Whether you add it to your salad dressing, soup, grilled chicken or fish, sautéed mushrooms, or lentils, garlic serves as a versatile and healthful addition to elevate both taste and well-being. 14. Apple. The age-old saying about apples being beneficial for our health holds true, and we've all heard it countless times. These fruits are abundant in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and flavonoids, which collectively contribute to reducing inflammation, enhancing the metabolic rate, lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, combating cancer, and improving both lipid profile and insulin sensitivity. Incorporating 1 apple into your daily diet can be a simple yet effective way to promote natural and rapid weight loss without the need to overexert yourself at the gym or deprive yourself of delicious and nutritious food options. 15. Full-fat yogurt. Next time you're at the supermarket, consider opting for full-fat yogurt, a beneficial probiotic choice. Unlike low-fat milk and yogurt, full-fat versions contain essential nutrients and offer greater satiety, keeping hunger at bay for a longer time. Packed with beneficial gut bacteria, yogurt supports improved digestion, helps manage appetite, and regulates blood glucose levels. This, in turn, optimizes cellular function and provides a much-needed boost to your metabolism. To incorporate yogurt into your daily routine, you can add it to your breakfast bowl, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a nutritious base for salad dressings. Embracing full-fat yogurt can be a delicious and healthful way to enhance your diet and support your overall well-being. 16. Coffee. Coffee is a wonderful beverage known for its ability to enhance metabolism. This dark, aromatic, and mood-boosting drink promotes fat oxidation by elevating the body's metabolic rate. Interestingly, research indicates that caffeinated coffee is especially beneficial for individuals struggling with obesity, offering more pronounced effects compared to decaffeinated coffee. To reap the benefits, consider consuming 2 cups of black coffee daily. However, if you are sensitive to caffeine or cannot tolerate it, it's best to avoid it altogether. By enjoying coffee in moderation and taking your individual preferences into account, you can harness its metabolism-boosting potential while respecting your body's needs. 17. Mustard. Whether you're enjoying hot dogs, sandwiches, or salads, mustard is an essential condiment that adds a burst of flavor. Besides enhancing taste, this spice/condiment also serves as a valuable source of healthy fats, contributing to an increased metabolism by facilitating the breakdown of fats. For added versatility, you can purchase mustard powder and incorporate it into curries, enhancing both taste and health benefits. However, exercise caution not to overdo it, as excessive use can lead to a bitter taste in your dishes. By using mustard judiciously, you can relish its goodness and elevate your meals in a delightful and nutritious manner. 18. Goji berries and strawberries. Rich in nutrients, goji berries and strawberries play a significant role in maintaining a balanced body pH, stimulating thermogenesis, detoxifying the system, and promoting fat oxidation. These berries are highly regarded as top-notch foods for individuals seeking to enhance their metabolism and support weight loss efforts. Incorporating these berries into your diet is a smart choice. You can add them to your breakfasts, blend them into nutritious smoothies, or enjoy them as healthy snacks. However, it's essential to exercise moderation and avoid excessive consumption, as it can lead to a spike in glucose levels. By savoring these berries in controlled portions, you can harness their benefits while maintaining a balanced and health-conscious approach to your dietary habits. 19. Citrus fruits. Have you ever been advised to start your day with a glass of warm water mixed with the juice of a whole lime or half a lemon? Those who follow this practice regularly have experienced the immense benefits it offers to their overall health. Lime is abundant in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that strengthens your immune system and vitalizes essential cellular functions. In fact, all citrus fruits, including lemon, kiwi, grapefruit, tangerine, clementine, and pineapple, are excellent for boosting metabolism and aiding in fat loss. 20. Herbs. The herbs we commonly use in our meals, such as cilantro, oregano, rosemary, thyme, dill, and fennel, are abundant sources of antioxidants. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in enhancing the metabolic rate by neutralizing the harmful impact of free oxygen radicals. So, when it comes to generously incorporating dried or fresh herbs into your dishes, there's no need to hold back. Not only do they add delightful aromas that soothe the senses, but they also contribute to supporting your journey towards a slimmer and healthier self. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.